Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a Halloween video on how to make a Halloween trap. Like, kind of like a haunted house, but not haunted. But you just like if you go into it, you fall down into the trap. Make sure to get your levels up because, sorry, not levels, but like, take a shower, get food, sleep, have fun, so that, because this is gonna take a while. This is gonna take like maybe like 30 to 2 hours because it depends on how big you want it to be. First, you're going to start by going to basements. And no, you have to go to build. But yes, you do have to buy the game pass to get basements. But that's how you're going to do this. That's how you're going to get the trick. That's how you're going to do it. So first, you got to make, it depends on what size you want. I made mine pretty small. And next, you're going to add a couple walls that you could put decorations or lights and color them. Because the color, very, very essential. Make sure to comment down below your favorite part or any great ideas you have for ideas. Not ideas, but for videos. Why did I say that? You can make it like a maze and place fake doors to make it look like, oh yeah, you go this way, you should go this way, you definitely should go this way. But in reality, you don't go that way because that's the way you're not supposed to go, which makes him stuck in the maze for longer. Or not the maze, it's kind of like a maze, but kind of like a trap too. Right here, don't do what I did. Do not use stairs. You always use an, guess, a ladder. Use a ladder because they're harder. They're a lot easier to miss, especially if you make them the same color as the background. Okay, now here I'm drawing all the walls because the walls kind of like boring. Cause you know how like I've never been inside a haunted house personally, but my cousins have, and they're saying like how there's like they have black tarps up. I wouldn't personally go into a haunted house either. Okay, next, what you're going to do, you're going to add a floor. You go to the, sorry, I accidentally pressed pause. What you're going to do is you go to the second floor and you're going to go to build and press floors. And don't make the mistake like me where the hole's at the ladder. Put it on all the way on the opposite end. I'm just demonstrating what it should look like. Like this is where you should put the drop spot, but I forgot where you're supposed to do it. And I accidentally put it right under the ladder. Very, very dumb idea. And next, this is the part where you add the floor piece. The floor might take a while to do because you can't just automatically place the whole thing. You have to manually place it. I don't know if that's just me, but I see water under my house. Why is there water under my house, Bloxburg? There should at least be pipes around it. Come on, man. You can't just put water under my house. Unless my house is a water mine, which those don't even exist. Right here, you could add your decorations. I added a little ghost. I personally didn't really like it that much, so in the end, I got rid of it and just put it like little pumpkin stack instead. You could put anything there, though. I wouldn't really suggest the ghost, though. The ghost is kind of ugly. Okay, I'm still decorating now. I finished coloring. I added lights and stuff, but I did a lot more after this, and I'll skip all the way to the end and show you what it looks like. And now you add a carpet on top so it looks like it's completely not there.